Okay. My God, Sally is. Are you bummed about what? What's the main thing you I'll tell you that. You never. What?
Shoe size.
Ooh.
Oh my God.
Far. And a half. Bad.
I know you.
Holy.
Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go.
Okay, look.
Do you want it?
I want it.